When it comes to investing in real estate, the aspect that people fear the most is the loan. It's as if you're always on the losing end dahil sa interest. But in reality, you can make more money out of debt. Find out how you can be on the winning end. I'm Edric Maguan, and this is The Real Deal! Since we were young, alam nating masamang magkautang. So we avoid it at all costs. Masama naman talaga ang utang if we use it to live beyond our means and to spend it on things that quickly depreciate. But not all debts are the same. In fact, you can make more money out of debt. This is called leverage. In real estate, you can use a home loan to acquire a property that can generate bigger gains than the cost of borrowing the money or interest. For example, you invest in a condo unit worth 5 million pesos and you borrow 4 million with a 15-year home loan at 6% interest rate per annum, fixed for 5 years. You expect the property to grow in value by 10% year on year for the first 5 years. By year 5, you pay the total interest of about 1 million, but you also gain 3 million in capital appreciation, almost triple the interest. And some of you may be thinking, sus, di naman lahat ng properties nag-grow ng ganyan kalaki. Hindi din lahat ng properties madaling ibenta o pa-rent out. But the truth is, some properties may grow even higher than that, while some may not grow as much. Some properties may have higher demand and can be sold or leased out within a reasonable time, while some don't. So if you know where and how to invest, you can benefit greatly from leveraging. To find out which areas have high growth potential, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. Leveraging is particularly very powerful in the Philippines these days. Why? First, real estate prices are not volatile and the residential market has been in a growth trajectory. In fact, some of the best performing condo developments in Metro Manila have even doubled its value in just 5 to 7 years. Gulat ka, no? While we really can't say for sure what's gonna happen in the real estate market in the future, the fact remains that our country has so much room to grow. Second, over the past year, Bangko Sentral has lowered its interest rates, which in turn impacts the interest rates of home loans, which currently range between 5.5 to 6.5% fixed for 3 or 5 years. This is a lot cheaper than other forms of debt, such as personal loans and credit card debts, with up to 24% interest rate per annum. Now, combining the growing real estate market with low home loan rates makes it the perfect opportunity to take advantage of leverage. Now, to make leverage work for you, 3 fundamental things to remember. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to learn more about real estate investing. 1. Invest in a location and development with considerable demand and growth potential. Study the market, don't just invest blindly. 2. Make sure you have the capacity, or at least you work towards building your capacity, to pay the loan long term. 3. Maintain an emergency fund that is equivalent to 3 to 6 months of your income as a rule of thumb, so that in times of crisis, you will avoid foreclosure or you will not be pressured to sell your property without realizing its full potential. Leverage is a very powerful tool to grow your wealth. When you know how to use it wisely and responsibly, then you can use it to your maximum advantage. If you need help in getting a property with high growth potential, send me a message on my Facebook or Instagram, or sign up for a free consultation with me via the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.